Today I am going to remove rust from rusty iron object called the rings. It is taken as a source of cathode and this volt as a source of anode by the process of electrolysis. Let's see how the experiment works. So for the apparatus, the following things will be required. This solar panel as a source of DC current. I am going to heat 20 volt DC current, water, baking soda, these two iron object, one rings as a source of cathode and another volt as a source of anode, and I am going to remove the rust from these rings. So the reaction has taken place slowly and the rust is being removed from the rings. So we can see the bubbles of hydrogen gas in the reaction. Finally the reaction is complete. Now I am going to show the result after electrolysis. Congratulations to me, it finally worked. Yeah. So I am very happy. My first science experiment of electrolysis, it finally worked. See, this guy helped me a lot for this video.
So hope our video goes viral.